Today, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Sheets to Squarespace. This is incredibly useful if you want to display live spreadsheet data directly on your website, whether it's a price list, event schedule, or any other dynamic content that updates automatically. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the Google account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to embed. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Workspace dashboard where all your files are stored. From the Workspace dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet you want to link to, Squarespace. This will open the spreadsheet in a new window. Take a moment to ensure this is the correct file, as you'll be making it publicly accessible through your website. Now, at the top of your spreadsheet, click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Share, and then select Publish to Web. This feature allows you to generate an embeddable version of your spreadsheet that can be inserted into websites. A dialog box will appear with publishing options. Click on Embed, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. This is where you can choose whether to publish the entire document or just a specific sheet. If you only want to display one particular sheet from your workbook, select it from this drop-down. Once you've made your choice, click Publish, and then click OK to confirm. This generates the embed code you'll need. Copy the embedded code that appears. This code is what will display your Google Sheet on your Squarespace site. Now head over to your Squarespace website editor where you want the spreadsheet to appear. In your Squarespace editor, click Add Block. This opens up the block menu where you can add different types of content to your page. In the search bar, type Embed and click on it when it appears. This will insert an embed block onto your page. Next, click the pencil icon on the embed block to open its settings. Then click Code Snippet followed by Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the code from Google Sheets. Paste the embedded code into the field. Here's a helpful tip. You can add width equals quote 1000 px, quote space, height equals quote 1000 px, quote to control the size of the Google Sheet display on your page. Adjust these pixel values based on how large you want the spreadsheet to appear. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top. And that's it. Your Google Sheet is now linked to your Squarespace site and will update automatically whenever you make changes to the original spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.